Welcome to WBTV's Good Question. Alex Giles here with my WBTV colleagues, Jess Dyer, Jamie Bull. Thank you guys for being here. Talking today about businesses and corporations requiring employees to get vaccinated against COVID-19. Jamie, we've seen more and more businesses put this in place, saying, hey, you have to get vaccinated if you want to work here.
Especially if you're sort of front-facing, right? You know, and you deal with the public a lot. Obviously, the hospitals, first and foremost, kind of stepped up, all of them almost at once. Remember that in a matter of a couple of days. Like every hospital system in the state stepped forward and said, we're going to make sure that all of our people are hospitalized. We've heard recently from Novant Health and the compliance that they've had, which has been really good. Like more than 99% have gone ahead and gotten the vaccine. They've had some that haven't. They've had to let them go. But this is something I think all businesses are dealing with on a number of levels. Obviously, we want to control spread. That's part of what this is about, but also think about the insurance costs associated with someone who gets sick and spends time in the ICU. For a time, that was being covered through government programs and those sorts of things, but those insurance companies were sort of paying for them, but that's going to start going away. So that's going to be then a cost burden on businesses, and they've got to decide, you know, do I want to incur that extra cost when there's a way to perhaps avoid it?
And also talking about the businesses that are allowing some employees to continue. If you've got a medical exemption, religious exemption, a reason why you are not getting vaccinated. Jess, we've gotten some questions from people about this, about mandating the vaccine. Is this okay to do? Are businesses allowed to do this?
Yeah, we've gotten a couple. One of them is someone who you're going to talk to who wants to know, can you be dismissed or fired for not getting the vaccine? But we've also gotten some questions about, can you get unemployment if you get fired for not getting the vaccine, which is an interesting question that we haven't talked about a lot either.
It's a great question as well. Taking these questions to an employment attorney here in the state of North Carolina, going to ask them about businesses requiring employees to get vaccinated. Jess, Jamie, thank you.
Thank you.